everyone, and welcome to what's going to be my favourite video of all time, hopefully. It's a Disney vlog. So it's currently about 5 AM and I'll just show you my outfit. So this is what I'm going to travel in, and we're getting the Eurostar at about 8 o'clock, so that's why we're up so early. So I'm literally just wearing some black leggings, a black kind of ribbed top, and then my gorgeous vintage 90s Mickey jacket from Beyond Retro. I love this, and yeah, I was really happy to snatch this up. Got my gold necklace, and I made some black and pearl ears to go with it, and then just taking my Mickey bag and this giant suitcase which is completely full. So yeah, cue travel montage. We are in the Santa Fe Hotel, which is where we're staying. We've just gone to the toilet. We're going to drop off our bags, and then we're going to go into the park, and then I'll get a text when our room's ready. But I think we'll just enjoy it an afternoon in the park and just focus on getting in a couple of rides. I'm so excited to be here. We're in the shuttle. I'm so excited. We've just been checking the queue times. I think we're probably going to start off with Phantom Manor maybe, because it's only a 10-minute queue. Big Thunder's 25. I'm so excited. We didn't change or anything. We literally just kind of waxed on a thermals underneath. I'll do an OOTD at some point today. I think I did one this morning. Mum, you're in the back of the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Let's say hi to the vlog. Woohoo! I'm crying. I'm really crying. We're at Disneyland. I'm so excited. I'm so glad I got my eyelashes done, because otherwise my mascara would be down my face. Molly, you're amazing, and we're in Disneyland. Oh my gosh, we're here! Rain's starting as we walked in. The castle looks so bright and beautiful. Okay, so I'm still crying. The parade music's still going on behind me, but we're gonna try and get on Big Thunder while the parade's on, because hopefully the queue time will be shorter. Top tip, if you're coming and there's rides that have got long queues, while the parade's on, the queue should be shorter. Same with restaurant lines and everything. So yeah, I'm really crying a lot. It's really overwhelming to be here. I'm just crying. This year has been really rubbish, and I literally, when I was really sad, just thought about being in Disneyland. Oh look, there's Big Thunder. We're in the queue. Always go left in the Big Thunder Mountain queue, it's shorter. We just got off Big Thunder Mountain. I screamed the whole entire way, didn't even breathe. That was so good. We're going to see queue time for Haunted Mansion now. Maybe go on that and then get Casey's Corner, because I need me a hot dog. Getting a Casey's Corner hot dog. The one with the cheese and onions is amazing. I'm so excited. Definitely needed. We're all feeling a bit hungry and thirsty and just want some food. For 2 Casey's hot dogs with cheese and onions, and Emma's got some chicken nuggets. We've just had our Casey's Corner and it was so good. The Casey's Corner with cheese and onions is amazing. I'm going to speak loudly because of the music. We're going to go to Phantom Manor now because it's open again, and I'm so excited. My mask keeps on falling off. Time for the Haunted Mansion.
Ravi de vous accueillir.
We are just going on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's been good. It's quite chilly, but it's not too bad. Got a bit of a headache, but we're pushing through for Disney. Ah! I'm here. Whoa! I'm married, everybody! Oh, yay! Happy honeymoon! Thanks! So we've just picked up some hot chocolates from the vending machine. So you get 4 free hot drinks a day if you stay in a Disney hotel. You literally just pop your card in, and then we've all got hot chocolates, so I'll let you know how they are when I get back to the room. So we are back in down from Disney. We had a rest. I've got a really bad headache, but we're pushing through for Disney. We've gone in a couple of the shops. We're just about to go in World of Disney, so I'll try and get a couple of clips in World of Disney. All I really want to get in this trip is a Spirit jersey and maybe another Loungefly, but not quite sure. We want just a black and white Spirit jersey, probably really boring, but I did see a lovely cardigan in the Disney fashion shop. It was €50, so who knows. I love this Forky. He's €20. It's right in Sam for God's vlog, and I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Gorgeous. You know we love the ears here. There's so many cute ones. Always look up in Disney shops. They have the most amazing things. Or I've seen my Spirit jersey, but they only have it in a large. I really want XL, but there's so many cute stuff here. I think I really wanted a cup because I'd love to have one of these in my bedroom just to drink loads of water out of, and I do love this one. So this is definitely a potential. It's $14.99, so I might get this. Just got a sandwich. I'll show you when it comes, but yeah, it looks good. So here is the wrapping for the sandwich and some water. I'll show you what it looks like on. I got the Italian, which looks like meat and cheese. That sounded good. But we've got meat and cheese and tomato. This looks really nice. I'm going to eat this and then I'll report back. The sandwich is insane, but I'm going to leave this vlog here. Check out the next video. It'll be on my normal upload schedule, so Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm going to combine the vlogs or if I'm just going to do one of them at a time, but I'm going to upload this one as it is. So travel day 1 is complete. Had a really good time. It's so magical here, and I will see you in my next video.